January 28th, 2019, 7:26 a.m. Sun is up, but it's behind all this. So let's just do a sky view. That's south. Got some crows headed north. Don't know why. Being tricked. And there's Mr. Hawk. Hard to see. Let's see what we can see. There's where the sun should be up, but it's behind that stuff. We'll see what we can do. Looking up for the moon. Was over here somewhere earlier yesterday. So I'm taking that it's around in between here and here, but straight up. Right around here somewhere. Alright, that'll do it. Everybody be safe out there. Peace out. January 28th, 2019, 7:30 a.m. A lot of nature. A little bit of that. Sun's trying. It's working hard. Yeah, it's trying, but that wall of gray, no goodness. It's just overpowering it. Still no sign of the moon. I'm sure it'll show itself eventually. Got a few spots that are starting to open up. It would be nice. Been getting a lot of that energy right there to the south-southwest. Always in that same spot. It's been like that for 3 days. And this is why I haven't been doing early morning sun-ups, because this is what we're getting. You literally will not see the roundness of the sun until about 8, sometimes 8:30. So anywhere from 8 to around 9 o'clock. Which seems to be being almost the norm around here, other than everything should be frozen out here regardless. Mr. Hawk is up so early today. Northeast. Let's see what we got going on over here to the north. And the north is pretty much the most murky of all. And we'll see what we got past Frank to the northwest. Ooh, a lot of fog that way. And to the west, oh yeah, it's foggy. Yep. Let's see what we got here. Still nothing. A lot of energy to the southwest. No mountain ranges, just the trees that are up close. And we've almost come around full circle. I think I went a little too fast on the south. So yeah. That's about the most reflection we're getting off the clouds. And obviously they're still spraying because that's from a sprayer, and I can hear them flying over. Just can't see them. Alrighty, that'll do it. I guess I'll just wait till the sun comes out and does show itself, and we'll see what we can get. Alright, everybody be safe out there. Peace out. Well, since I can't get the moon, I can't get the sun. Next best thing is nature. January 28th, 2019, 7:43 a.m. Get to watch these things most of the morning. Just another reason to look up. Can't believe we got hummingbirds messing around. Thought they'd be gone by now. Mr. or Mrs. Hawk waiting for something to grab.